Tilt pour is a little more forgiving. You can control the tilt timing, which controls turbulence or the flow of the metal. Gating also helps with that, but you can slow it down, you can speed it up, depending on the casting shape and size. You can add hydraulics and loose pieces, slides, cores into a permanent mold where you can't on a static pour.
Yeah, I think complexity is a very important part. So when you create the steel tool in permanent mold, it allows you to really define out and hold tighter tolerances and more complexities because you're cutting that into a steel mold. Think of even the static pour. If you're talking on a permanent mold side of things, a static pour, you can define out some of the details there, but you're really constrained by the cavities and how you open that mold.
And also your cores.
Exactly.